This is another one of my short videos, but this one is more advanced. So this is the classical Pilates exercises, the full version of the exercises at full tempo. So please only do this if you're strong and fit, you have a regular Pilates practice, and you should know all these exercises already because we're going to go with them at full speed. Okay, so lying on your back for a couple of moments to start with, just settle yourself in, take a few breaths. And the traditional starting exercise in Pilates is 100. So go ahead, fold your knees into your chest. We're going to breathe out, reach the legs out, reach the arms out, and we're going to pump and breathe. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep trying to pump those arms. It's a warm up. Hug your heels really tight together. Grow tall through the crown of your head and out. If you feel strong, try lowering the legs a little bit lower. If that's too much, take them back up. One more set, breathe in and out. Deep tummy, last one, breathe in and out. Good, hug your knees into your chest, take a break. Slide the legs out long, reach the arms to the ceiling, getting ready for roll up. So as we curl the head up, breathe out and reach forward. Curl the tail under, roll back to the mat. And again, inhale, curl up, and exhale, reach forward. Inhale, roll back, roll down to your mat. We're going to do 2 more times, just a full roll up. Squeeze the heels, and rolling all the way down. Last time. Inhale, roll up. And then rolling back down to the mat. Now, anchoring my left heel, I'm going to reach my right leg up the single leg circle. We're going to go across the body, round and up. Cross the body, round and up. Keep stabilizing with your heel on the mat. And up, reverse. Out, round, up. Out, round, up. 2 more times. And up. Good. Switch legs. Left leg in the air when we're ready. Cross the body, round and up. Cross, round, up. Now try and keep your center stable, keep tall, keep your back connected to the mat. We can do about 5 and then reverse. Out, round, up, out, round, up. Pressing into that heel. Last one and up. Lower the leg, reach the arms, roll up to sit. Shift your hips forward for rolling like a ball. When we're ready, curling the tailbone under. We're going to inhale, roll back, and exhale and pause. Inhale, deep tummy, roll back and roll up. Try and keep the shape. Roll, massage your spine. 1 more time. And back. Lower the feet. Shift your hips back. We're getting ready for the series of 5, the abdominal series of 5. So round the spine back. Take a moment, bring your legs up one at a time into your chest. We're going to lift our head and chest. Single leg stretch to start with. So 2 hands on one shin, other leg out. Breathe, switch and pull. 1 and 2. And reach, go tall. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Hug the knees in, rest your head, take a full pause. Double leg stretch. So we're going to curl up, press the heels together, grow tall through the crown of the head. We inhale to reach. And exhale to return. Inhale, reach. Exhale, return. It's all about keeping the center body stable. So the spine, ribs aren't moving, pelvis is anchored. We're going to go 2 more times. Heels together, super tight. Good. Rest the head for a break. Going into the straight leg stretch. Curl the chest up. Hold the 2 hands behind your calf or thigh. We're going to do a little pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Keep the shoulders lifted up. Stable pelvis. Switch, pull, switch. 1 more each leg. Good. 2 legs to the ceiling. Hug your heels really tight. Try and lift your chest up more. Hands behind the head. Double leg stretch. Lowers double straight leg. Down and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try and keep that back the same, no arching in the lumbar, and up. 2 more. And exhale, last one. And exhale, good. Bend the knees, crisscross, twist, maximum twist. and twist, and breathe out, and out. Let's go 4 more times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug your knees in, stretch your legs out long, get ready for another roll up, curl the chest, roll up to sit, spine stretch forward. We roll the spine down, we reach forward, and then we roll the spine up nice and tall. And again, nod the head round and reach, and all the way back up. Keep flexing back those ankles, last one. And all the way up. We're going to bend our knees, get ready for open leg rocker. So get your balance. Nice and calm through the shoulders. Now it's a find it from the deep abs again, like rolling like a ball. So we're trying to scoop in that lower abdominals, curl back, and then rock up and pause. And again, deep abdominals, scoop back, and rock up and pause. One more time. And pause. Good. Can you let go? Can you keep the shape? Hold on, legs together. We're going to walk down onto our back. If you feel confident, let go. Otherwise, walk down your legs. We're going into corkscrew. So arms either side, shoulders calm. Just start with a tick-tock. So one leg goes across, 2 legs to one side, sorry, and pull back. Shoulders stay put. You're coming onto one side of your pelvis. And we're going to add the circle down. So you're going across, away from you, down, return. This is the corkscrew. Keep the spine the same, nice and tall. Last one. Good. Hug the knees in. We're going to rock up to sit, going into the saw, arms out. We're going to twist and reach and back and return. Twist and reach and up and back. Try and anchor the pelvis. It's your spine getting lots of movement. Up and back. Last one. Good. Legs together. Flip over into a tummy for some swan preparation. Hands flat, elbows back. We're going to grow tall. We're going to elongate the spine, lift the chest up and back down. And again, lift yourself up and down. One more time, grow tall. You're going to go into the single leg kick. So come up, lift your forearms, lift your chest. We're going to bend one knee. Kick, kick, switch, kick, kick. Lift the tummy. Make sure you're not sinking in your lower back. So it's a front hip stretch, abdominal stretch. Last one each side. Relax. Roll over onto your back. Hug your knees into your chest. And now we're going to do a shoulder bridge or pelvic curl, shoulder bridge preparation, this one. So when you're here, shoulders calm, you're going to curl the towel, roll up through your spine, and then roll the spine down. Nice and simple. We won't do any single legs, we just keep it nice and simple. Roll up and roll down through the back. Last one. And roll down. Good. Straighten out the legs. And we're going to go into a neck pull. Now, if you know that neck pull's a challenging one for you, just do some roll-ups. If you're happy to try the neck pull, legs a bit apart, hands behind the head, this is a more challenging movement. We're going to try and curl up, round over, head and the knees, roll the spine up, then it's a flat back tip, curl the towel, roll down to the mat, breathe out, round up, head in the knees, and roll up one more time, tip, curl, roll down, and then come up, head down, lift the spine up. Good. Bring the legs together, arms out. We're going into the twist. So really lift up, hug your legs super tight together. We're going to twist, double pulse. And inhale through center and exhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Last one. And in. Relax. Coming onto the side, very quick side kick. So on my arm, my legs are a little in front of me, top leg lifted, bring it back, strong tummy, reach the leg long, side kick. So kick, forward and reach back and flex, forward, reach back. 2 more times. Last one. And back, back. Good. Hug your legs together, roll on, second side, short and sweet. Legs out, lift the leg up, and again, flex, forward and back, back, flex, forward, back, back. 2 more sets. Good, relax. Roll onto your back, hug your knees into your chest. Time for a teaser. So when you're ready, remember do a roll up if you know teasers are super hard for you. Reach the arms, reach up the legs, roll up to sit. You're going to roll down and up. This is teaser one. We're not going to do the whole shebang. We're just going to do teaser one. And up, last one. You can even do the arms if you're feeling strong. Good. Seal puppy feet together, hold under the wrist. We're going to do 3 little claps. 1, 2, 3. Pull the towel. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to try and roll to stand if you feel fit. Otherwise, just get up elegantly. Turn around. We're going to roll down into push-up. So nod the head, let the spine round over. Walking out the hands in 3 steps if you can. 1, 2, 3. Either hold plank or do a few push-ups. You feel you can. We're nearly done. Good. Lift the hips up. Walk back to the feet. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to roll your spine up. Stand up nice and tall. Take a breather. And you're done. That's Intermediate Classical Mat by Joseph Pilates. Okay,